Big stinking pussy Kim. My sister me attack Kimmy daily. On Facebook. You can't style me. You can't style my man. Cause guess what? Uncle Sam not provide nothing for my man, yeah? My man get up and work, yeah? And I like a baby father where you have to lock up much time to get domestic violence housing apartment. Kim, the sheet them where you have on your bed, your mattress, we are sinking a blood clot hole. Remember say I might fuck out sheet them, you know. When I fuck out from Pablo and Sean and my baby father days, you know. When I fuck out and company, you know. Remember say I might all sheet them you have on the bed, you know, Kim. Kim, remember say the bathroom at them when you have in your bathroom, I might want them. The shower curtain them, I might want them. Kim, you can't style me. Kim, no man when me there would never say my pussy stink. But your baby father tell you say your pussy stink. And again, no man when me breathe for never tell me say they want to do DNA test. But your baby father tell us say he want a DNA test for the two last split in them. Cause Kim, remember the black ugly boy from the club? Remember the black ugly boy from the club? From Church Avenue? Where you not fuck, where you go fuck him in a car and then come back and give McDonald. Kim me daily. Tomorrow your baby father getting food stamp the second of each month. The second of each month. Yeah? Remember say you sell your baby father food stamp and rock away at the supermarket. So him can have money in his pocket to go buy one shirt or one Jordan. Kim, you can't style me. Kim, Uncle Sam cash where you get. Uncle Sam cash where you get. I eat mine, you pitney them. Kim, the reason why you breed up for tax time. Kim, you need to take care of your kids them. Buying clothes, that's not all. Kim, buying clothes with Uncle Sam food stamp where you get, you sell it. Your house empty, no food not in there, but beer roach in your cupboard, beer roach in your bathroom, beer roaches are run over. Kim, your bed full of bed bug. The mattress need to throw away. Kim, your mattress need to throw away. Kim, what do you do me ear? You do me ear, and God know when you tell me to turn, I skin up my nose. Your pussy stink. Now me understand what your baby father talk about. Your pussy stinky. Me now wipe my mouth going and talk. Your pussy stink. Your own baby father tell you to go wash your pussy because your pussy stink. No boy never tell me say my pussy stink. You notice when do you not style me in a video? Him never say the pussy stink. Never. Because I don't care order. Kim, let me tell you this. Your apartment can't look like my own. Can't. Kim, what do you work? Uncle Sam put you out for work for 6 blood clot months. Uncle Sam put you out for work for 6 months. And when they do overtime, you have to pay your baby father to watch him 4 blood clot pitney them. That's like if the 4 of them are fame. Because you know fuck the black man in the club. The big-head black ugly boy. I watch him and can't frighten you, Kim. Kim, I 1 month at a time I take. So when all your mother, when your mother I got talk say, she still have Pablo number. Use it no bitch. How you want to do? You want to fuck your daughter, man? You want to fuck your daughter ex-man? Correction. Because my ex-man that from a long time me and him left. Mother, what you want to fuck your daughter, man? You could go ahead and fuck him. Suck him for I care. Mother, I don't know my father. I 30 at the ear hole. Kim no know her father. Big stinking pussy Kim no know her father. It's about time you tell us the truth at our father, Maja. All if he's a madman, me gonna love him. Me gonna love him, Maja. Maja, nobody never see you with a man. Them only see you with blood clot belly. Yeah, they only see you with belly. Me not give a fuck. Cause me not look no good name from none of our relative. Cause you come like garbage to me. Me no blood clot like none of uno. If you dead today tomorrow, me happy no blood clot. Cause me not like none of uno. And me no want to no like me either. You understand? Kim, the time when you take her bad up my name on Facebook and I bad up the man name on Facebook. Yeah, bad up the man name on Facebook, you know. You see, your baby father can't look like him. Time work, him over 90 blood clot 5. Him working, get up and work. When your baby father forgot Uncle Sam program Uncle Sam program. Forget the $100 and a blood clot food stamp and the 109 na cash. Kim, welfare tied for see your face. If they don't send out your rent, you find welfare office. I remember saying they near to my house. And every time when they come at the office, you always call me for come out, they come look for you. Kim, how you eat me for? Chuma always lucky. Yeah, your blood clot big head mama. Chuma always lucky to find man where willing to do for me. Kim, me never take none of on old bucket. Never. Kim, every sheet, curtain, bathroom shower curtain, down to the bathroom plastic. Where you put the shower curtain, the mats them. I might want them in your house, Kim. Kim, me not have a job. Me not have a job. And me, now I make blood clot welfare put me on work. Me refuse to make welfare help me. Me refuse to make welfare help me. If you got blood clot, make them put me up on a field for 6 months to clean up park. My face too bright for that, Kim. My pussy good. My pussy good, Kim. You no stink. You no stink, Kim. Big stinking pussy, Kim. Yeah, your mother talk up be a shit. Maja. At 2 years now, you're homeless in America. And say you can't find an apartment. Can you look one place? Get up off your big stinking ass and go look apartment everywhere. Maja, you don't like me, I mean I like you. You don't love me for my things. You're licky mother. You're going to tell me say you have Pablo number. What that blood clot that have to do with me? You having Pablo number. What it have to do with me? What it have to do with me, Maja? Pablo is my ex-man and he become my best friend. We not fuck, but he's my best friend. So when you go say you have him number, what have the blood clot do with me, Maja? Maja, go look for a father. We need a father. Kim, go wash your pussy. Go kill a roach them in your house. Roach take over your house. Go wipe off your stove. Wipe off your machine. Kim, your stove dirty in a blood clot. The time when you take a bath up my blood clot, you're not talk about the man for your life. You need to go clean your house. Your house dirty. Kim, you talk about drawers. What drawers? Your drawers patches them bleach out and burn out and stiff. Kim, sometimes I wonder what come out of your pussy. Kim, you got Lisa house and you tip Lisa $10. After the woman blood clot kitchen counter. You come at my house and I have my money up on my fridge top. For my son blood clot. What you call it? My son blood clot money. When they say he might use for one trip. You come at my house and you thief with Kim. Kim is a fucking thief. Kim, your pussy stink. The only time Jimmy sleep on your yard is January. When you know when tax money are run. Kim, you say you idiot girl, you have to pay Jimmy for fuck you. Pay Jimmy for being in your life. Kim, tax time I gone one day, you look on Jimmy and give him 2,000 ad for one, and he may take care of the pitney. The 2,000 ad you give me, you should have take it and carry down at the welfare place and get the welfare manager. Because of them I take care of your blood clot pitney, them you know. Kim, it's time when you take a tab up on your page. Why you not go bathe your kids them? Go bathe them dirty. Them dirty and smell. At daycare, your kids them have to eat a proper blood clot meal because you sell a food stamp. What do you mean there, and I say, Kim, the kids then come from school, and then go bathe and you cook something give them now. No, them eat at daycare. No, tomorrow they will bathe. And when tomorrow come, they still not bathe. See, I see blood clot dirty clothes. Kim, Joy have to come here and throw bleach on your floor and try to kill a roach them. Roach bite up my baby, roach bite me up, roach bite up your mother. Kim, you can't style me. Kim, I want to poop and shit in your blood clot face. Kim, go look for your baby father. Jimmy tell us him want the DNA test with the 2 last bit of them. Kim, you can't style me. My man now get blood clot government assistant. Here, him having blood clot good up job. Him not sit down like Jimmy. We are waiting for Uncle Sam blood clot food stamp 12 o'clock tonight. And when tomorrow morning, you might go send you to go sell it. Sell it. Kim, you need a mattress. You need a bed complete. You need a bed. Kim, your house dirty. Go up on live and show live your house. Your house dirty. Everybody talk about you, Kim. Your house dirty. Your house dirty and stink. Nasty. Stink like your pussy. Your pussy dirty. None of my man there when me fuck her suck can't say them smell this girl. Cause me clean. You saw my apartment clean, I saw me keep my house. You saw my apartment, my house clean, I saw me keep the pussy. The pussy have to stay clean and stay right. Kim have an order. Me don't know where your order they come from. Jesus Christ. Kim, go bed. When was the last you take a shower? Stop wear dirty clothes, Kim. Are you have a washing machine? Stop wear dirty clothes, Kim. Your own cousin say you stink. Nobody never said they smell me yet. Your mother mouth stink no blood clot. I don't care when I talk, I don't look no good name.